Hello students, today we learn another problem on indefinite integration. Here the given problem is integral x square plus x into x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. If you observe the given problem, it contains two expressions. The integrand contains two expressions. So whenever two expressions are given, one of the method of solving is we try for f and f dash, a function and its a derivative. So that if you observe the given integrand, it is containing x square plus x, x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10. So if you treat x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 is f of x, its derivative is not x square plus x. If you treat it is x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 is not f dash of x. So that we have to manipulate the given expression to get into the form of f and f dash. So for that, I think through the point of x square plus x, it can be split into two factors, but x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10. If you take x from this one, this expression, it becomes x power minus 9, x power minus 10. By taking a radical sign, it becomes a complicated problem. So that from the point of first expression, I can write x common, x plus 1 is equal to x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. X plus 1 into, so if you transfer x into this expression, we can reduce the powers, negative powers can be reduced, so that as it is containing whole power 1 by 10, we can write x as x power 10 whole power 1 by 10 into x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. Since the both expressions containing the power same, they can be taken as a power m, a power n, a power m, b power n is equal to a into b whole power n. So using that formula, you can write x power 10 into x power minus 8 plus 2 into x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 whole power 1 by 10 dx. So by multiplying this, x plus 1 into x power 10 into x power minus 8 x square plus 2 into x power 10 into x power minus 1 plus x whole power 1 by 10 whole power 1 by 10 dx. That is equal to integral x plus 1 into x square. Suppose if you treat it as x, f of x, then its derivative is x plus 1. So that let it be f of x is equal to let f of x is equal to x square plus 2x whole power 1 by 10. Let f of x is equal to x square plus 2x. Then its derivative f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Its derivative f of x is equal to 2x plus 2. But here the expression do not contain 2x plus 2, but we can make it 2x plus 2 by multiplying and divided by 2. That is 2x plus 1 into x square plus 2x whole power 1 by 10 dx. So as it is f of x, its derivative is f dash of x. So that using the formula you can simplify this integration. As we know the formula, integral f of x whole power m into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole power m plus 1 by m plus 1 plus c. So using the formula you can write 1 by 2 into integral, it is f dash of x dx into f of x. Therefore this can be written as x square plus 2x whole power 1 by 10 plus 1 by 1 by 10 plus 1 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 2 times of x square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10 by 11 by 10 plus c, that is equal to 5 by 11 into x square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10 plus c. This is the required solution.